Well, let's talk about sphere, the volume of sphere. How do we calculate it? Well, for a sphere, you must have a center because it's related to circle. What is a center? It basically is saying that you can have a odd shape and cut it, and then its cross section are identical. That means this section is the center, which is pretty much the middle. Just think of the middle. And then R is a radius. So the volume formula for sphere is these. 4 um 4 times pi times R squared divided by 3. And then let's do a question. If R equals to 3 centimeters, so the value was 3 centimeters, calculate the volume of the sphere. So we apply formula. V equals to this times instead of time r cubed, we take 3 cubed. Then we get this, and then eventually we get 4 times 9 pi, which is um 36 pi. Don't forget units, cubic centimeter, cubic centimeter. That's sphere. It's pretty easy, straightforward. But to prove this, it is very hard. You guys wouldn't be able to understand it now because you're using calculus. You prove it. So we're not gonna prove it. You probably learn that in year 12 or even uni. So good luck.